Okay, my dear children, today we are going to discuss about the graph of linear equation in two variables. Last class we have learned that the graph of a linear equation in two variables always represent a straight line. Now today we will be given one graph and we have to select its equation. Now let us see the question this here. Example 8, page number 73 of our textbook. For the graph shown, this is the graph shown, select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below. This is the graph. It passing through the 3 point, this point, this point and this point. This point is minus 1, 1. This point is 0, 0. This point is 1, 1. This point is minus 1, minus 1. This point is 0, 0. This point is 1, 2. So we are given 4 equations here. We are given here 4 equations. So you have to select whose graph is this equation. Whose equation for this graph, which is the equation. So we are given 4 equations. Let us see now how to solve. Solution. See here the graph passing through the point, the graph passing through the points, passing through the points minus 1, minus 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, This is minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 0 and 1, 2. The graph is passing through these 3 points. Minus 1, 2, this is minus 1, 2, 0, 0 and 1, 2. Now we have to select for which equation these are the solution. So that means this point will satisfy which equation out of this 4 equations. Now we can do the rough work and we can calculate, or we can see it mentally also. Minus 1, minus 2. If we put here minus 1, minus 2, so it will be minus 1, minus 2 equal to minus 3. It is not satisfying. Not satisfying, then we can leave this one. Because all these points should satisfy that particular equation. Now let us try for this one. Y equal to 2x. Y is minus 2 here. Minus 2 or 2x. 2 into minus 1. So definitely it will be minus 2. Okay. By this point, this is satisfied. Again, let us see by this point. Y equal to 0 and 2 into x. So 2 into 0 equal to 0. Yes, this is satisfied, this also. Now 1, 2. If I try here 1, 2, value of y is 2 and value of x is 1. So it will be 2. Yes. By these 3 points, this equation is satisfied. This equation is satisfied. This equation is satisfied by these 3 points. So this graph is of this equation. So you can say since the equation this is satisfied by all these points, hence the given graph is the graph of this equation. You check here, if we put this one and this one, will not satisfy. Let us come here, if we check by anyone, it will not be satisfied. So we have seen that these 3 points satisfies this equation, hence this is the required equation whose graph is this. So thus we can say that this you can calculate in graph Thus, the equation y equal to 2x is satisfied by all the points -1, -2, 0, 0 and 1, 2. Therefore, required equation is y equal to 2x. So actually I have explained this one here. In exam you may ask MCQ question, so this you have to calculate material and just you have to write the answer. This is the process I am showing you here. So we can do in this way also. So you will try this kind of more one question given in our textbook. So you will try this one at home. Question number 5 we are given in our textbook, question number 5. So we will try this one at home. Question number 5 as your homework. So question number 5. Question number 5 of our textbook. This question is homework. This you will try yourself at home. Now let us see question number 4 of our textbook. Question number 4 of our textbook. Question number 4. Here you see the taxi fare in a city as follows. For the first kilometer, fare is ₹8, and for the subsequent distance it is ₹5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and the total fare as y, ₹y, write a linear equation of this information and draw its graph. So here हमें दे दिया टैक्सी फेयर का तरीका. पहला 1 किलोमीटर के लिए फेयर है ₹8 और नेक्स्ट हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए फेयर है ₹5 हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए. और टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया x किलोमीटर एंड टोटल फेयर मान लिया ₹y. सो ये इंफॉर्मेशन का एक लीनियर इक्वेशन बनाना है और इसका ग्राफ भी ड्रा करना है. सो यू सी इन डायग्राम here, suppose this is x kilometer, from here to here x kilometer. So for the first 1 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer, first 1 kilometer, fare is ₹8. टोटल यहाँ से लेकर A to B, मान लिया A to B लेकर x किलोमीटर है. पहला 1 किलोमीटर के लिए ₹8 है और बाकी हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए, अगर बाकी हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए ₹5 है, ₹5. तो टोटल था x किलोमीटर और x किलोमीटर से 1 किलोमीटर चला गया तो इधर कितना किलोमीटर होगा? इट विल बी x - 1 किलोमीटर. गॉट इट? टोटल डिस्टेंस x किलोमीटर, पहला 1 किलोमीटर के लिए ₹8 फेयर और रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस है x - 1 किलोमीटर. 1 किलोमीटर चला गया तो बचेगा x - 1 किलोमीटर और ये x - 1 किलोमीटर के लिए हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए ₹5 है. सो हियर सी द सॉल्यूशन. टोटल डिस्टेंस covered equal to x kilometer. Total distance covered equal to x kilometer. Therefore fare for first 1 kilometer, first 1 kilometer equal to ₹8. पहला 1 किलोमीटर के लिए फेयर है ₹8। तो रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस कितना बचा? रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस बचा है x-1 किलोमीटर। ये 1 किलोमीटर चला गया तो बाकी बचा x-1 किलोमीटर, और ये x-1 किलोमीटर के लिए हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए ₹5 फॉर ईच किलोमीटर। Therefore, fare for remaining distance, fare for remaining distance equal to ₹5। 1 किलोमीटर के लिए 5 और टोटल था x-1 किलोमीटर, सो 5 into x-1 रुपीज। तो पहला 1 किलोमीटर के लिए ₹8 हुआ और बाकी ये किलोमीटर के लिए हो गया ₹5 into x-1। ये हो गया पहला 1 किलोमीटर के लिए ₹8 और बाकी डिस्टेंस के लिए ये हो गया फेयर। तो टोटल फेयर कितना होगा? टोटल फेयर विल बी दिस प्लस दिस। Therefore total fare equal to ₹8 plus 5 into x-1। This is the total fare। ये हो गया टोटल फेयर। तो इसको अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करें तो क्या मिलेगा? ₹8 plus 5x minus 5, 5x minus 5, तो it will be ₹3 plus 5x, 8 minus 5 3 plus 5x। तो ये हो गया टोटल फेयर। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन टोटल फेयर गिवन हाउ मच? ₹y। So according to question we can say that this y equal to this. So according to question we can say that, so according to question total fare y, and we got the total fare is 8 as 3 plus 5x. So this is the linear equation. This is the required linear equation. Which is the required equation? ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन, और इसका भी ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है। वी हैव टू ड्रॉ नाउ द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन। तो इसका ग्राफ करने के लिए जस्ट आई विल कैलकुलेट 3 सॉल्यूशन, देन यू विल ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ एंड शो मी। सो इसका 3 सॉल्यूशन देखो, लेट अस सी इट्स 3 सॉल्यूशन, देन यू विल ट्राई फॉर इट्स ग्राफ you can draw at home. See here 3 solution. I can take 3 solution like this. X, Y, A, B, C. Now see A, B, C. So if I put a value of x equal to, suppose -1, value of x -1 there. So what will be this one? 3 into 5 minus 1. So it will be 3 minus 5 equal to -2. So it will be -2. Value of x we can give as 1. If we give here 1, so it will be plus 8. Now give this one as 0. 0 दे दिया तो ये 3 हो जाएगा. So these are the 3 solution of this equation. -1, -2. If we put here -1, definitely we get this one -2. If we put here 1, then 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. If we put here 0, 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. So after that you will try the drawing of graph. You can draw its graph at home. I taught you earlier. So try this graph at home and show me then. Okay, now you see. Next question. Question number 7 of our textbook. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. Also, draw the graph of the same. We should use here two variables. Okay, Yamini and Fatima are two students. They contributed together rupees 100 for the Prime Minister Relief Fund. So for here you see solution. Let amount contributed by Yamini equal to rupees X, and the amount contributed by Fatima equal to rupees Y. So according to question, X plus Y equal to 100. So according to question, what we get? Together amount is rupees 100. So this is the equation. Now we have to draw its graph. So for graph, we know that we have to find out three pair of solution. So here we can write this one as X equal to 100 minus Y. Now let us three pair of solution here. It will be, see now, X, Y, A, B, C. So now here we put the value of Y. So we'll put the value of Y in such a way that it is multiple of 10. So it will be easier for us then. So let us put Y equal to 40. If I put here 40, so 100 minus 40 equal to 60. Let us put Y equal to 50. So 100 minus 50 equal to 50. Let us put Y equal to 60. Then 100 minus 60 equal to 40. So these are the three pair of solution. And then we can draw its graph. So but while we are going to draw the graph, so that we should remember one thing. I am showing you just. Now see, this is the graph I am showing you here. Here you see, this is the origin. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This side it will be minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. So like this is the origin. So it will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. Now it's what to do. So this point is A, 60, 40. 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. So this will be the point A. Next, point B, 50, 50. 50, 50. This will be the point B, 50, 50, B point. Then 40, 60. 40, 60, 40. 60, 40. Then 40, 50, 50. Sorry, this wrong. This 50, 50 it will be here. 50, 50 it will be here. 50, 50. This will be B. This will be the B point. 40, 60, 40, 60, this will be the point C. These are the 3 points. Then try to draw the graph of this equation. Definitely all these points will be collinear. So this will be the graph of this. This will be the graph. PQ is the graph. So this is the required graph. So we can do in this way. We have seen that. Hence PQ is the graph of the equation. Graph of the equation x plus y equal to 100. So for this equation, these are the solutions. When we plot this solution here, we get ABC 3 points, and all these points are collinear. Joining them, we get a straight line PQ. So PQ is the graph of this equation x plus y. See, 2 questions. This are for your homework. Here you see, find the equation whose graph is given. This also same. Find the equation whose graph is given. In first graph, you are given x plus y equal to 0, y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x plus 4, y equal to x minus 4, and the graph is this one, passing through the point 1, 6, 0, 4, and minus 2, 0. So you have to find out the equation whose graph is this. Already I taught you one question, so you can do this one at home. Try at home. This also same. Equation on x plus y equal to 0, y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x plus 1, and y equal to 2x minus 4. The graph is this one, passing through the point 2, 0, 1, minus 2, and 0, minus 4. So you have to select the equation whose graph is this. So just I explained. So you can try by 1 by 1. 1, 6, 0, 4, minus 2, 0. You have to put in each equation. If all the if the equation is satisfied by all these 3 points, then that will be the required equation. So you will try yourself. Here also 2, 0, 1, minus 2, and 0, minus 4. These 3 points should satisfy the equation. These 3 points will satisfy that equation whose graph is this. So if these 3 points satisfies this equation, this will be the answer. If they satisfied this, then this will be the answer. So you have to select yourself at home, and then you show me